Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to watch my new videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be making a beautiful jhumar as shown in the video. So let's start. Take a decorated basket or you can use simple basket too. To make the jhumar, you will need it with needle, thread and some latkans, pipes and beads. Insert the thread on the needle and make the knot at the end. Then insert pipe, beads and latkan as shown in the video with the pattern. Then tuck them on the corner of the basket as shown. Make 16 such pieces and tuck them on the corner of the basket. To show the layer on the jhumar, I have making first line with using 2 pipes. To make second layer, I have used 4 pipes. You can change the color of pipe, beads and latkan. You don't want to change the color of latkan, pipe and beads. You can use the same which I have used in first layer. If you are not able to insert the needle in the pipe, you can use scissors to insert it. You have to make 8 of them. Completed with the making of second layer, so let's make third layer using 6 pipes. Third layer, you are required with 6 pipes, latkan and beads. Make 4 such pieces. Here our jhumar is ready.